The top 5 best drones for beginners recommendation. Recommendation number 1. DJI Mini 2 SE Lightweight and Foldable Mini Drone. DJI Mini 2 SE is an incredible way to capture your aerial world. Weighing less than 249 grams, it is exempt from registration requirements in some countries and regions. Asterisk, it's also stunningly easy to use, with a 31-min max flight time, a 10 max transmission range, and much more. DJI Mini 2 SE comes in 2 purchasing options. The first is DJI Mini 2 SE. This standard combo includes the Mini 2 SE drone, RC remote controller, and all the accessories needed to fly. Recommendation number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro Lightweight Drone. If you want a drone you can fly confidently in complex environments with trees and other obstacles, it's worthwhile to spend more on a beginner model with obstacle detection sensors, and the DJI Mini 3 Pro fits the bill. The 249 drone includes 3-way obstacle sensors for safer flight with automated navigation around obstructions. The camera is also a step up from the Mini 2 and Mini 3. The 3 Pro sports a quad-Bayer sensor for 4K 60 video and your choice of 48MP or oversampled 12MP still photos. The standard color profile provides pleasing video out of the camera. Recommendation number 3. DJI Mini 3 Lightweight and Foldable Mini Camera Drone. DJI Mini 3 comes in 5 purchasing options. The standard DJI Mini 3 option is the standard option, includes the drone, DJI RC non-remote controller, and other items for new users to get started quickly. DJI Mini 3 drone only includes the drone but not a remote controller, making it ideal for those who already have a compatible remote controller. DJI Mini 3 DJI RC includes the drone and a DJI RC, which offers an exceptional operating experience, and the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo Plus. Recommendation number 4. Rise Tectello Mini Drone. New to drones? No problem. Flying Tello couldn't be easier. Just pull out your phone to fly anytime or anywhere with intuitive controls. See the world from the sky. Whether you're at a park, in the office, or hanging out at home, you can always take off and experience the world from exciting new perspectives. Tello has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers impressively long flight times. Fantastic features for endless enjoyment. Recommendation number 5. Sanrock U52 Drone. The Sanrock U52 drone can roll and flip in 4 directions, and flip the drone 360 accordingly. Makes the flight more exciting. Post V sign to activate the drone to take photos within a distance of 2-3 between you and the camera. A palm gesture makes the camera start recording videos within 3 seconds. Intelligent voice control function is controlled by app. Able to landing. Take off according to your voice commands. Draw a route on your app, then the drone will fly along the path you set. Add fun to your flight. 2 speed modes, low/high, make this suitable for beginners and experts.